this is the extra pin, this is the VCC pin. So if we use extra VCC, then we may use this VCC also. And also below this there is also another pin, that also VCC pin. After that, remaining pins are, that is 8 pins for port 2, but the port 2 has a different connection, that is this is P2.0, P2.1, P2.2, P2.3, like reverse in case of P1. Like in a P1 from top to down, P0.0, P0.1 up to P0.7, but for P2 it's from downside, P0.0, P0.1, P2.0, P2.1, P2.2, P2.3, like that. So in this side, this pin, the upside pin is for VCC. Then below that pin are for P1, port 1. So this is P1.0, P1.1, P1.2, same as a P0. Then at a down there is a fourth port, that is the port name is P3, that is port 3. So this is P3.0, P3.1, P3.2, P3.3, like that up to P3.7. Then these 3 pins are used here for further use, that is if we connect a LCD to this circuit, then these 3 pins are used. So in this project we are not using LCD, so that's why there is no use of this. This resistor is also for LCD. Then this is a switch, which is a reset switch, which generally used for resetting the microcontroller. So if a microcontroller is malfunctioning or it's not working in a well manner, then we must have to press this switch, then and then it will work properly. Then beside this, a capacitor is present having a value 10 microfarad. So this 10 microfarad capacitor is specially used for resetting purpose in order to match the reset time correctly. Then below this capacitor, these are the 4 switches. These 4 switches are used for ground. So in a circuit we require ground. So provide a ground facility to other interfacing elements like a sensor, buzzer or motor. We use this. Then this is the called as crystal. So crystal is crystal oscillator. Generally this is used for providing clock to the microcontroller. So these are the 2 capacitors. These 2 capacitors are called as capacitive ceramic capacitor or ceramic capacitor. So these capacitors are used for crystal to provide us sustained oscillations. So this LED is generally used as a power LED, that is whether the power is correct or not. If power is correct, then this LED is glow. If power is not correct, then its LED is off, and we must have to solve the problem or we have to show